Notice anything different about me today? Do I look more cinematic? More like a movie star? Did you think I was Brad Pitt for a second there? Now the reason I look more cinematic is because I'm using this. This is the Black Diffusion Filter from Neewer. And I've got it attached to my GoPro Hero 11, which is what I'm filming this on. So the reason I'm testing this filter with the GoPro is because the GoPro is digital, and action cameras are notorious for a very digital look, very hard edges. Now we can turn down the sharpness inside the GoPro, but it's still going to have a digital look. So what a diffusion filter does is it filters out light, particularly at higher frequencies. So anything at the top end of the spectrum that's really bright or sharp, a diffusion filter will break up that light before it hits the sensor. So why do we use diffusion filters? Well, diffusion filters are used to emulate a film look with digital cameras. And a diffusion filter does this by emulating a process called halation. Halation occurs when very bright light is reflected from the film's emulsion on the camera's base plate. And the halation effect is really typical of analog film. It gives bright light a soft glow. Now, this is completely different from just softening up the focus. A diffusion filter will soften the bright lights while maintaining the contrast. Despite being a budget filter, the build quality on the Black Diffusion Filter from Neewer is really top notch. We've got an aluminium ring and this really high quality glass. Now it comes in different strengths. I'm going with the 1/4 because it's what I usually use with my other cameras, and I find it's a really nice balance, and it does give a really filmic look. So if you want to pick up one of these filters for yourself, I've got a link in the description where you can grab one. And if you found this video useful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.